Hi, this is Frank from PRC Restorations. We're here in Manhattan Beach today. We had a water damage in this property right here. The fire sprinkler from the 4th floor burst, affecting 4th floor. We already demoed and we're just drying out right now. This part of the property that got damaged, we took out the ceilings insulation and we're trying to dry the floors in place right now. This is the area of the property where the damage happened. The fire sprinkler right here is the one that burst. Right now we cut everything that was damaged. We're trying to dry the floors in place. As you can see, the floors run through the whole house. This is the area where the damage happened. The sprinkler from up there was the one that burst, affecting all the way down to the 4th floor. We remove all the insulation, all the drywall, and trying to dry the floor in place right now. If you ever have any kind of water damage, call us. We're here to assist you. We're 24/7, 1 hour response time, free assessment. Please give us a call if you need any kind of help. Thank you.